Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Say all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this regard. For I am providing a very crucial, very, very important civil justice sign off for myself, and it is a multitasking as well. So only vices can alone understand why it is a multitasking. Because one side I'm displaying the crimes of USA government broken errors, other side I'm displaying why who is the root cause for the all hell creations. It is absolute monarchs, Pope Francis. And then the other side I also have to get the salary, the rightful national benefits and job offers signed off accordingly, and I sure will get the civil justice for entire human kingdom. So it's all a multitasking. So I will quickly read through the civil justice sign off so that we all can be on the same page. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is the Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. Scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide, Republica prostitution, short-term loans, never educated. USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and it is fatal negligence of Republica prostitution short-term loans nations to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say knows who is Republica prostitution short-term loans nations, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica prostitution short-term loans nation. So Republica prostitution short-term loans nations created robocall poverty mandate, and it is a serious crime, and it comes under the classification of breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, and assault and types, and false imprisonment and type, trespass to land and types, trespass to chattels and types. So as of February 2021, civil justice sign-off to be served to I. Vedapriya Pro Se is I. Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, owned the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off. USA prostitution short-term loans nations with fatal negligence failed to educate. USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I. Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republican government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I. Vedapriya Pro Se abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 October 2018 abruptly, and enforced finance debt of $10,000+ since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2021, to I. Vedapriya Pro Se. Then enforced finance disabled to I. Vedapriya Pro Se abruptly. It is a crime for Republica prostitution short-term loans nations when ruling USA never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I. Vedapriya Pro Se. So civil justice is I. Vedapriya Pro Se wants Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,000+ and sign off tax-free $5,000, and USA Republica prostitution short-term loans nations must sign off tax-free $500,000 billion to be direct deposit to my bank account for all types of damages done by selfish, cunning Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs, types, wild endangered species, and hell creators, and at fault and found guilty Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republica government of USA will provide the needful help accordingly to be in the same page. And I hope we are all on the same page on this regard. Yes, my dear fellow mankind, I should get the civil justice immediate without any delay. Okay. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.